Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Look, I have got my RS457 back because if you haven't watched the previous videos which I have uploaded when I went to Marine Millie 2 weeks back, the radiator got damaged and the coolant leaked and I was stranded on the highway approximately 130 kilometers away from Hyderabad. Somehow I managed to get back to Hyderabad and then I gave it to Motoplex Hyderabad, and then I came to know that the radiator has a puncture. So it took almost 11 to 12 days for the radiator to arrive. But the good thing is that you'll be shocked to know the price of the radiator, because I was expecting somewhere close to 15 to 20k because it was a physical damage. It was not being covered under warranty also. Then when the radiator arrived, I checked on the prices. It was just 7,000 rupees, 6,995 rupees to be precise. That is the cost for the radiator, and apart from that I had to pay for the labor and the coolant replacement as well. I'll show you the invoice. So this is the invoice, and you can see the labor amount for the replacement for the radiator is 377 rupees. That's so cheap, just 377 rupees. And 6,995 is for the radiator. 1,180 rupees for the coolant, because the coolant was drained completely. They had to top it up with a new coolant, so that costed 1,180 rupees with inclusive of tax and everything. I had to pay 8,553 rupees, and this is super cheap, guys, because if you consider the cost of the radiator guard itself, it will cost you around 6,000, 5 to 6,000, maybe 7,000 also in few of the good quality radiator guards. But this particular radiator is so cheap. That is only because it's made in India, and the bike looks fantastic right now. They gave it a nice wash, and I just got it yesterday only. When I was returning back from office, I collected it from Motoplex Hyderabad and I got back home. I did not make any video because it was night time. I wanted to show it to you guys in the daytime. I also have the old radiator because it just has a small crack. I'll see if I can get it fixed through a welding or something, but I have brought it at home, and the new radiator is fixed inside. I cannot show you the new radiator because the radiator guard is installed. You might not be able to see it. So this motorcycle has done 27,800 kilometers, approx 28,000 kilometers, and it looks just fantastic. Now let's take it out on a ride and see how it rides. I was craving to ride this motorcycle because I did not have it since last 10 to 11 days, and the radiator was not available in the showroom. That's why it took so long for them to get it from the company. And this is where supply chain management of Aprilia should look into it, because waiting for 12 days just for a radiator is like ridiculous. You should improve your supply chain, make parts available even more readily at the dealerships. All right, let's crank. Sounds amazing. Let's go. Man, this torque is so much addictive. I was riding the Benelli 502C all these days. Even that had good amount of low end torque, but nothing can come close to this motorcycle in this entire sub 500cc segment. You twist the throttle and then the bike lunges forward. And I am used to this riding position. It is so addictive. This is what I wanted, and finally the RS is there with me. I can't tell you how eagerly I was waiting to get my motorcycle back home. The moment they called me that the motorcycle is ready, I was like, bang on, I'm coming to collect it. And you might be wondering that I said that I'm going to claim the insurance. What happened to that? So I did try to claim my insurance. The claim supervisor also came to the service center to check, but he said that the damage is not that evident. It is not because of an accidental damage, and that's why they could not claim it. I was like, okay, it doesn't cost much, I'll replace it on my own. accelerates. I'm not giving full throttle continuously. I'm gradually accelerating it. And now the heating issue should be gone. So I'll test it for 2 to 3 days for any leakages or something. There might be chances that it can leak if any of the hose is loose. So I'll have to be careful for that. But right now, let's enjoy the RS. Amazing. It accelerates like brand new, even till date. This is what I love about the 457. And I thought of accelerating my motorcycle on this stretch, but I can see a lot of buffaloes over there. I'll take a U-turn from here. Better not to risk it. This is the same place where I did the flybys with the GPR exhaust. So yeah, that's about it in this video. I hope you found it helpful. If yes, do give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel because it is free for you, but it definitely helps me a lot. And if you want to purchase this AOC device, you can purchase it from the AOC official website. Link is mentioned in the description section down below, and you will get a straight 22% discount across all products on AOC website. Just use my coupon code Prakash Suraj. You will get the discount not only on this product, on every product. And do post your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you feel about the cost of the radiator on the RS 457? And with that, I will sign off from this video, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.